We see you all out there working super hard. I say it's about time for a well-deserved break. With your American Express Business Platinum or Business Gold charge card, you can earn 1 membership rewards point for every £1 you spend, with no limits on the number of points you can collect and no expiry date. Plus, new card members will also be able to bag tasty bonus welcome points when you spend £6,000 or £3,000 respectively in your first 3 months. That's a whole lot of potential points you could turn into treats. So whether you're a seasoned Amex Points Pro or new to the business rewards game, here are 4 hacks to help you make the most of your points or turn them into epic experiences for you or your family or your team. Did someone say helicopter tour over London? Business rewards don't have to be, well, all business. With your Amex, you can use the points earned from business spending on perks for yourself or your family. You could do this by trading points for flight and hotel upgrades. For example, with 50,000 membership rewards points, you could bag a first-class return flight with Delta from London to Paris, or a night in a King Superior room at the Conrad London St James Hilton Hotel. Alternatively, swap your points for experiences and entertainment. For example, those 50,000 membership rewards points could be traded for £250 of spending at Buy a Gift. That's enough for premium theatre tickets with a dinner for 2 or a helicopter tour over London. With the Amex Business Platinum and Gold cards, you can get complimentary employee gold cards for your team, up to 99 with your gold card and 98 with your platinum card, as they throw in 1 complimentary employee platinum card, all of which will earn membership rewards points for your account, helping to get you rewards faster. By dishing out even 5 or 10 employee cards, the whole team can start converting their business expenses into 1 massive membership rewards points pot. Just remember that the main card holder is still responsible for the bills across all employee cards. And once you've racked up enough points, you can cash them in to give your next team treat day a major upgrade. 50,000 points, for example, could be turned into £225 worth of subscriptions, such as a 9-month subscription to Naked Wines. Bring on the next team social. This hack is threefold. Not only are there some perks that already come with your Amex card, for example, with your Business Platinum card, you will get a £150 annual Dell Technologies statement credit, which gives access to dedicated tech advisors. But you can also use your points towards business services. Plus, you can pop your business expenses on your Amex so you can earn points for everyday spending you would have been splashing out for anyway. For example, using your Amex to pay for a year of Adobe Creative Cloud software for 36 employees would land you 25,488 points. You could then trade these points in for a £125 Amazon voucher and buy 2 HP DeskJet all-in-one colour printers for the office. That's not to mention that you could also use your membership rewards points for business travel. You don't have to be a huge company with thousands of employees to start treating yourself. With just 10,000 points, for example, you could score a return economy flight from London to Paris, Berlin or Amsterdam with British Airways, or a £50 gift card at stores such as Marks & Spencer's and Currys, which you could put towards your next team lunch or use to upgrade some equipment. To pay for travel using membership rewards, you will have to have a minimum of 5,000 points, but you can use a combo of your points and your Amex card to pay for your flights. And an added bonus is that you'll earn points on the portion paid for with your Amex. For more information on all of these treats and rewards, check out our full guide on finder.com by clicking this link up here. It's smart to compare all cards before you decide on the right business rewards card for your business. So to learn more and start comparing your options, click the first link under extra resources in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. As always, thanks for watching.